Good morning, everyone. I'm Jeff Higgins from Higgins Storm Chasing. It is Saturday, the 2nd of December 2017. Okay, we have a fair bit of rain and thunderstorm activity coming up for eastern Queensland on Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. Now, the severe thunderstorms are likely, and the rain areas are also likely to have some moderate to locally heavy falls in them. Basically anywhere from about Cairns all the way down inland to Emerald, across the middle of the Darling Downs into the southeast, central east districts. We're looking at widespread totals, guys, of 25 to 50 millimetres as a base. Then through central east districts and southeast districts, we're looking at potential falls of between 50 and 100 mils as well across the 3 days from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Now, there could be locally isolated higher falls in these totals. However, that will heavily depend on exactly where severe thunderstorm activity develops and produces the very heavy rain. Let's have a look at the current situation. All of the news has been focused down around Victoria and New South Wales over the past few days, parts of southeast SA. There is an upper level low of cold air which is currently tracked across southeast SA overnight. It's just in there into the southwest parts of New South Wales at the moment. Now, that upper low and cold pool of air is forecast to slowly track northeast across the back of New South Wales, across southern inland Queensland and back down off the northeast New South Wales coast over the next 3 to 4 days. What this upper level cold air will do is interact with the surface trough. You can see the surface trough currently runs there just east from Melbourne at the moment, up through southern inland New South Wales, central west and northwest New South Wales. You can see the band of storms there. That's attached to the surface trough, and here's the upper level trough behind it, which creates all this huge amounts of instability. In front of that, we have very warm, humid northeast to easterly winds feeding in, and it's very, very muggy and oppressive along the coast, along Queensland and New South Wales coasts over the past few days due to the build-up into this system. Okay, so that's about it currently. You can see that those rain areas are extending through inland parts of New South Wales, the ACT. They're getting a really good drop there. There is some flooding occurring across inland parts of Victoria due to heavy rain over the past 24 to 36 hours. And then we have this band of severe thunderstorms which is developing through inland New South Wales. Now, that band will also extend up into southern inland, central west and northwest Queensland or northern inland Queensland today as a band of severe thunderstorms as well. We just have to wait for the heat to build up through here to get that going. But we'll move on and I'll show you that now. Okay, here's the instability charts from BSCH for today. The blue shaded areas is areas of instability. You can see along the coast that there is some instability there, but it's fairly light. This is due to onshore winds. So we may get a few showers along the coast and maybe just the isolated thunderstorm in the afternoon here, guys, through far eastern districts. The focus will be through from the southern inland, central west and northern inland parts of the state where the surface trough is. And this area here is where we expect a band of showers, thunderstorms and rain areas, with some storms likely to be severe, especially from a long reach south, the Charleville St George across to Goondiwindi, about Dalby, Taroom to Emerald this afternoon and this evening, with heavy rain and damaging winds. Any some thunderstorms that become severe up the top here will mainly just include heavy rain due to being slow moving. If we move on to tomorrow, the instability increases, the moisture levels increase, and it all shifts east. So anywhere from just in the northeast tip of northeast New South Wales there, southeast Queensland, extends back into Taroom, central east Queensland to Emerald, northeast Queensland right up to the Gulf and the Peninsula, basically from Cairns, Townsville, Mackay, Rockhampton, Bundaberg, Gympie and Brisbane all the way down the coast. We are expecting rain areas with locally moderate to heavy falls, with thunderstorms, some severe, with heavy rainfall. Okay, very high instability levels, very high moisture levels through large parts of eastern Queensland on Sunday, tomorrow. So keep an eye out for those ones, guys. On Monday, the trough remains stalled through eastern Queensland from about Cairns, Townsville. That's very close to the coast there. Back inland to Emerald. We do have a surface low which is expected to develop here over central east and southeast districts, which will increase rainfall activity through central east and southeast as well. we do have the chance of thunderstorms, some severe with heavy rain. But the focus for Monday, I believe, will be these rain areas with moderate to locally heavy falls possible, central east, southeast. On Tuesday, the system edges very, very close to the coast. I'll pull down and show you that now. It's basically from about Rockhampton south down the coast. Southeast Queensland is in it at the moment. There's been a fair bit of uncertainty to deal with Tuesday, but models are just starting to show that the trough has some residual high instability levels through here. Southeast Queensland, so Rockhampton, Bundaberg, south down the coast, all the way down to Lismore, northeast New South Wales. Now, due to the fact that there's some dry air coming in behind this trough system, we would go for severe thunderstorms likely and the inclusion of large hail in these regions here. So heavy rain, damaging winds, and the potential for large hail as well on Tuesday afternoon due to dry air. Previous to that, the atmosphere is far too saturated to produce hail, and it just turns into heavy rain areas. All right, guys, that's what's coming up. Quite a fair bit of activity for eastern Queensland. There's been a build-up. There's been quite a lull over the past month of November due to a ridge. That's about to change. We spoke about this last week and said that the big weather shift is coming. This is part of it. So if you'd like to head over, guys, don't forget you can support us by becoming a member and subscribing. HigginsStormChasing.com, subscribe, and I'll show you that we have the southeast Queensland zoomed thunderstorm maps with the risks, some severe. This is for Sunday. You can see most of southeast Queensland there is painted in storms likely and some severe. We have 24-hour rainfall charts. Let's go to Monday as well. All of the southeast coast and from Bundy south to Brisbane is painted in red, storm, some severe. And then we have the 24-hour rainfall blocks as well, and that just keeps going, extended forecast. All right, guys, so if you want to head over there and sign up, we have alerts boxes as well and send email alerts out and stuff. All right, stay safe, stay tuned, watch for updates from this system. Has been down south. It is coming through central, southern, inland parts today. This shifts east, all of the east coast, Monday, Tuesday, and then central east, southeast, Sunday, Monday, then central southeast districts on Tuesday before it moves offshore. Thanks for watching.